So you guys may have noticed that I've been uploading a lot more this month, and it's October. Some people in the YouTube sphere are calling it Vlogtober. What that means is that we're uploading once every day. For me, I'm taking Sundays off. Now, I've never been an everyday creator on YouTube, so I'm learning a lot, especially about the production, the workflow, and all of that. In fact, last night I did something brand new, which is I filmed on my Canon 80D and my Autel Evo and edited everything on my iPhone, and the process was actually surprisingly quite simple. I may actually incorporate it into some other videos that I do. But in today's video, I wanted to go over the strategy on how I create video ideas. The first step in my video creation process is to know my niche. And knowing my niche does two things for me. It tells me what videos I shouldn't do. My channel is all about teaching and inspiring people to make better videos. So I know that I'm not gonna do like a real estate video or a strictly automobile video. No, my channel is teaching you and inspiring you to make better videos. And the second thing is to have content buckets. So I have three main buckets. The first one is tutorials. That's just where I share my knowledge. Anything that I can teach, I call that a tutorial. So it's gonna be tutorials on Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Lightroom, Adobe Rush, anything like that, audio, anything like that. The second one is gear reviews. So if a product is new or I like a product a whole lot, then I might do a gear review on that and put it on the channel. Then the third bucket is inspirational videos. That can be short stories, that can be short films, that can be anything that's going to inspire people to use what they have to tell their story, to make better videos. The third step in the process is to get an idea, and you use your niche and you use your buckets of content in order to kind of lead your idea making. I have a couple tools that I use every single time I do this, and number one is always the YouTube search. So I'll just literally type into YouTube see what it autofills, and go through the entire alphabet and see what it auto-populates. And when I come up with a list of 5 to 10 ideas or so, then I'll go to websites like Answer the Public, and I'll just type in those ideas. And it's really cool because it gives me this entire thought bubble around that topic of what people are actually searching for. So if I can make a video about that, then I can do that. Now, usually I spend a lot of time on R&D, research and development, and usually this part of it, what we're doing right now, talking about this idea, talking about how to make an idea, is part of that process. So we're doing it right here, and in tomorrow's video, we're actually going to sit down and come up with those ideas using YouTube search and using Answer the Public. So look forward to making that video, and I hope you're looking forward to watching it. The fourth step in the process is to execute. So having a space where you can come and create the videos, having a workspace like what I've got here. If you didn't see yesterday's video, the studio tour, the office tour, go back and watch that. The space that I have with my light, my camera, my microphone, and the light behind me is always here set up, ready to go. So it's really easy for me to make these videos, especially the talking head ones like this. So, and then these videos just go straight over to my computer, or in this case, I may be actually transferring to my phone again so that I can edit on my phone. But having a space that you can quickly come to and make it really easy to make a video will definitely help in executing those ideas. Number 5 is upload. So having a thumbnail, a list of tags, titles, all of that stuff ready to go is going to be essential for me to keep this process going and upload a video every single day. So all of those things you have to think about. Some people spend hours just on the thumbnail. I'm usually one of those people. I usually spend just as much time editing a thumbnail as I do editing the video. But when I'm uploading every single day, that's not necessarily sustainable. So I'm going to be doing all of that. And in tomorrow's video, we're going to be taking this process and executing on the process, coming up with ideas. That's what the video tomorrow is going to be about. So it's going to be kind of meta. We're going to be coming up with ideas in a video that I came up with an idea about making idea videos. Anyway, you get it. We'll see you in the next video.